The 2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, advanced technology package, electronic stability control, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, heated front seats, fog lights, trip computer, power moonroof, brake assist, remote keyless entry, panic alarm. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.